GFP allows you to see life as it's happening. It gives you a dynamic way of looking at biology.
The lecture was very inspiring, especially for us young scientists with just starting our studies.
In my lab, we have used GFP to look at gene expression. We look at where proteins are localized.
Having the opportunity to have direct interaction to him and having the chance also to enter into a dialogue, it is an outstanding opportunity.
What advice would you give us young researchers to be just as successful in the science field?
If you're the first person to do or see something, you're going to make a lot of mistakes. There's going to be a lot of failure because we're pushing to something that nobody knows about.
It basically reinforces the idea that you have from the beginning that that's just the way it's supposed to be, and you're going to get frustrated, but don't quit because that's just how science is.
Lectures like that improve our willing to keep on, never give up.
As a person, he's so friendly and such a simple person.
He's very humble, with a lot of anecdotes and stories.
The story I want to tell is the story of my daughter. I'm a very proud father.
When he talks about the family, how family was important to him, it was real nice.
He's very empathetic and smiley that breaks the tension when you're meeting a Nobel Prize.
It's a normal person. He's not a kind of man that don't like to talk to people.
He likes to discuss with students and to share his opinions.
I think it's really important to be ignorant, stubborn, and just have a willingness to try experiments.
One thing I remembered, he said, if you have your ideas in research, you should have the freedom to follow these ideas.
I think you should work on problems that you think are both interesting and that you see an importance to the problem.
He talked about the importance of basic science.
Basic research is essential for any scientific enterprise.
There's no drugs, there's no cures without having basic research first. And I think that's really an important message too.
We are making discoveries every year that are changing the way we think about science, and it's incredibly important.
This opportunity helps us to first be closer to scientists, and also a nice way to show our commitment to science in Brazil.